I just spent $1,000 on a personal chef, $800 on a personal masseuse, $700 on a deprivation tank, and $500 on a cryo chamber just to live like LeBron James, who is set to spend $2 million on his body to recover. That's $6,000 a day. We're gonna do the same. This is cupping therapy. It's an extremely painful technique to draw blood to the surface of the skin and help it recover faster. I don't know what hurts more, my muscle pain or the recovery. How much longer do I have to keep it on? Oh, wait, she left me.
Yeah.
Oh, all right, nice. No, bro, like, I feel like you're tearing my skin up right now. That was definitely the most painful thing I've ever done. We have 10 more to go throughout this entire video and almost $6,000 to spend. So I just spent about $300 on that. I only feel about 1% recovered. Next up, we got acupuncture. Your boy feels recuperated. But now we're gonna get into some needle work. I can feel it. Every time you push down, it's uncomfortable. So we're starting with some needle or acupuncture work. She's very experienced and she's gonna help loosen up the tense muscles. This is relaxing, right? Or is it painful?
You feel painful, but it's kind of a relaxing, painful feeling.
Okay. Gavin, why are you so quiet, bro?
Mid back and also the upper back. So
Okay.
you relax, okay? You relax.
See, when acupuncture is done correctly and the needles are placed correctly, according to the National Institute of Health, it helps release more nitric oxide in that area, which helps with recovery. All right, boys. That was interesting. Yeah, more stretching. She's right. I should stretch more. As if I didn't already know that. That's why we're at my therapist, to do some Thai stretching. And our therapist is gonna put us in positions I don't think I've ever done in my life. Oh, man. Thai stretching has been around for years, and it has been proven to increase flexibility, relieve pain and muscle tension, improve range of motion, and also increase circulation and lymphatic flow. This hands down is the best thing we've done all day. I deserve this after getting needles in my back.
Relax.
This is like the fourth person today that tells me to relax. I'm always like tense, dude. I think LeBron's onto something. That was amazing. That was incredible. Relaxation was a 10 out of 10. I just want you to be aware that we still have to spend $500 on a cryo chamber, $700 on a deprivation tank, and $1,000 on a personal chef. There's a lot more still to come. We're back at my favorite Chinese parlor, and I guess LeBron is not recovered yet because I'm not either. Now we're doing some scraping. Let's do this. So this is supposed to help your muscles recover faster. It's an extremely painful technique, and I don't even know, how's my back? Is my back good?
Very right.
I can feel it. And the whole point is to draw blood to the surface to help your muscles recuperate faster. So recovery-wise for blading, like 3%. It was more painful than anything. Yo, we've been doing a lot of recovery. Most of it painful, but this is the next step in LeBron's recovery process, the one that I was waiting for. It's my man Perseus. What's up, brother?
Doing, man?
What do you got for me today, man?
You know what I got for you? I got gains. We got some steak, protein.
Ooh.
Can't go wrong with any vegetables. Gonna hook you up with some carbs for that extra energy.
Let's make it happen. This is what I was waiting for, bro.
Let's flip this coin. If we win, we get the steak. If you win, you get the steak.
What does the loser eat?
You're gonna get that cereal.
All right, we gotta call it while it's in midair.
Okay.
All right, call it.
Heads.
There you go, buddy.
Thanks, man.
LeBron's personal chef cooks him the food he needs with a custom meal plan to allow his body to heal faster. Yo, that smells good, bro. Got me excited, man. Presentation 10 out of 10. Yo.
And just as a finishing touch, more added pump in the gym.
Yo, okay. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Moment of truth. Compliments to the chef, my man.
Thank you very much.
Yo, obviously not painful, so this just tastes amazing. Recovery-wise, 10 out of 10. I can do this all day. If I was LeBron, yeah, I mean, that's easy, bro. Like, you got a hell of a chef cooking your meals 3 times a day. I would look like a Greek god if I ate this every day, bro. All right, now we're doing Normatec sleeves on basically the entire body, arms and legs. We're going for a 1-hour session. Finally, we get to relax. This is recovery. This is good. The whole entire body is just being compressed. And the idea is through compression, you're promoting circulation. And circulation is key to recovery. Your boy's gonna go to sleep. This is good. This feels nice. Scale 1 to 10 on relaxing, 10. Yo, I fell asleep, bro. Like that was super chill. All right, now we train, but even when we train, we're gonna recover. We're gonna avoid pain. That's what the athletes do. That's what LeBron does. We're gonna do that with the Alter G. It's basically a gravity simulation it's calibrating me right now. Yo, it's lifting me up right now. Feels Weird, yeah. So you just moved about 20% of my body weight. I'm at about 200 pounds, so that's 40 pounds. So I'm weighing 160 right now, and I immediately felt it on my knees. Like, I feel like I'm on the moon right now. This machine allows athletes to continue to train even while they're recovering by reducing their body weight, thus less impact. When you're running this fast, you're usually striking really fast the floor. It doesn't feel that way. I'm over here having a full-on conversation. I don't think I've ever ran a 6-minute mile and I had a smile on my face. Yo, that was amazing. Recovery-wise, feeling great. Like, I'm feeling good. Feeling like a king. Time to recover. This is a $200,000 cryotherapy machine. Ooh. And this is a $20 BioFreeze. You get these at Walgreens. So it's this fast action pain relief. It's cold therapy. It's essentially like CryoFreeze, but in a bottle, and it's only 20 bucks. I feel numb.
But do you feel cryotherapy now?
And I feel $20 numb.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait, I'm at minus 50 right now, and we go to minus 150? Yeah. Wait, this isn't relaxing though. Cryotherapy works by reducing blood flow, which can significantly reduce inflammation. Yo, I feel like needles on my skin right now. It could also temporarily reduce nerve activity, which can relieve pain. So I've been extremely sore, one thing for sure, but right now, it just doesn't feel like anything. I just feel numb. I feel...
You hit 150. It's not gonna go lower than that.
150 seems good enough. Oh my God, my joints. All right, positive is all my pain is gone. How low does it go in temperature? We did 150. 250 is the lowest. I feel kind of soft for not doing the 250 now. All right, I feel rejuvenated. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say it's like a 10. It literally numbed all my muscles to right now, I don't feel sore. I can see why people do this. Now this is when things get good. If these next 2 therapies do not fully recover me, yo, LeBron's just wasting his money. All right, I think I can be a world-renowned athlete too if I spent this much on recovery. My dude's still not recovered. Now we're doing EMS, electric muscle stimulation. So my legs are sore, let's recover. Will these hurt when I have to yank him off? So apparently, this simulates contractions that women have to face, which is crazy. Because I'm about to do that on my leg on purpose. For what reason? All right, boys, so I guess it's time to relax and recover. Ah, God! Ah, what the hell is that, bro? I'm gonna bring it down to 8. How do you relax? I don't get it. I'm not recovering, bro. I've been in pain all day. You see what's happening, right? Like, look how it twitches, bro. That's not me, I swear to God. All right, we're gonna bump it up a little bit. That's 15. Ah, one more. Ah! Freak. Okay, I'm done. All right, I'm recovered. I'm good. All right, so recovery isn't just about the body for the king. It's also about the mind, which takes us to our next one, a sensory deprivation tank. So this is a sensory deprivation tank where I will be floating, so removing all gravity, then removing all light, and finally removing all sound for a period of an hour to fully relax, basically neutralize all my senses. Been here for like 30 minutes already. It's the weirdest experience. It feels like nothing. There's just nothing. There's not even your thoughts. It's black. There's no noise. It's weird. Okay, 1 hour is up. That was honestly unlike anything I've ever experienced. I feel like our minds are always going and thinking about everything you have to do. There were no thoughts, there was no emotions. On a recovery scale, like 10. And it's not even my body, it's my mind. It was a 1 hour pause on my mind. That was incredible.